Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. The word of the day is garrulous. Garrulous. Garrulous is an adjective. This is used to describe a person who is very talkative. Somebody who loves to talk. The synonyms are loquacious, talkative and chatter. And the antonyms are taciturn, untalkative and introvert. The sentences are, my friend is so garrulous that she can never keep a secret. I can never feel bored because I have a bunch of garrulous friends. So you have got another word today. So do frame a sentence and comment me below. I'll be back again the next day with a new word. Till then, bye-bye.